Platz, Berg. Let's go.
Hi guys.
Hi.
We're on the bus. No, we're not. Okay, we're actually on a boat. Different type of transport. We got this like excursion thing today. It costs like €49 for the whole 9 hours, so it's actually pretty decent.
It's like £43.
Yeah, £43. That's pretty decent considering there's other things for like 150. So we're gonna go to the national park and have a good day.
Our third national park.
Third national park of the trip. The view right now.
It's a pretty good boat.
Yeah, they're massive. It's a really cute harbour. That's a massive cruise ship. It's 8:30 in the morning and we've already got vodka. Love that. Yeah. I think it's stronger than vodka. Cheers.
Do you shot it?
No, I'm not sure.
I can't shot that. Do you drink?
Just sip it.
Oh my god.
How cute is this new area? It's very calm. We get supplied breakfast, wine, drinks and lunch. So first little thing, ham and cheese sandwich for breakfast. So we have been travelling for about 2 hours now and we have now got to the islands. We're doing one of them over there. What's that one called? Don't know. And then the other one we have lunch. Explore a little bit, have lunch, and then we go over to the national park. Weather is beautiful. We are at our first island. So that's our boat, and then we're gonna go explore the cliff and the lake. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Oh, yeah! Blue water. Oh, blue water. Looks like the Maldives. This is a lake. This isn't a lake. It's so cute. This is a salt lake. Oh, my feet are wet.
Who would have seen that coming?
You were like, did you say that's
You just said that's risky.
Hi guys, a vlog of the day. So we are actually on an island in Croatia and this is the Salt Lake. Woo! I look like a little school kid in my little plaits, but we are just now at the viewpoint of the cliff. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh, be careful. This is cute. Oh, viewpoint 2.0. Food is getting served. We've got a whole bottle of wine. It's plastic, love it. Cheers. Oh yeah, look at this. It's got his eye.
Or is it mackerel?
Hello.
It could be mackerel.
Hello, I'm gonna eat you by the way.
Is that good or bad?
Shut up, I love mackerel. Why is it not focusing? Coleslaw. Coleslaw. literally fell asleep on the beach for like half an hour. This is so nice. There's our boat, heading back now. I'm seeing Harry Styles in June.
Are you?
Get away from here. Microphone. Hi guys, we are off to dinner for the first time this trip. Don't know where we're gonna go yet. We're gonna wait for Katie. We're actually glammed up for once. Hi guys, we're going out for dinner. Last night in Croatia. Sometimes. It's been such a good trip though. You're off to, where are you off to?
I'm going to Split.
Oh, very jealous. But we just gotta try and find a restaurant because we don't really know where to go. But there's so many restaurants around, so we'll probably find one soon. Look at our view for dinner. So cute.
So I've got some
Beetle!
I've got a Hugo Spritz.
Nice.
Yeah, that just has
Last drink of the year.
Mum would like that.
Jokes. Oh my god, the food has just arrived.
I'm
How
so hungry.
stunning. It's tuckered. This is so good. I'm so glad I've got garlic bread as well. The vibe's good as well. Look at that sunset. Oh my god. But under the cloud.
Right,
We tried to
emoji for now. Only
No,
because...
stop being a cop out.
No, because then I can save it as a draft and go back on my other posts and get inspiration.
It's a bit brighter now. My last treat. We can sit over. Oh no, we have to play, don't we? We can sit on the edge over there or something. But I've got lemon and herb. No, lemon, basil, and dark chocolate. Lemon and herb. Oh my god, my mascara is still drained. Anyway, good night, guys. I will see you in the morning. It'll probably be in the same vlog anyway. Good night, Ash. Good night. Good morning. Good morning, guys. So today is our last day. We are just packing up, getting ready for the airport, and we're gonna go home. So my bites, if you can see them, very itchy. Gonna eat my granola, and then it's airport time, and then it's home time, and then I'm working at 2 o'clock. Bon appetit. Granola, banana, and Greek yogurt. Adios! Say goodbye to the hostel. Right, let's go to the airport. Woo!
Home time.
Home time. Just waiting for the taxi. We're using Uber. It's like £5 to the airport, which is actually pretty decent. Last time looking at the harbour, I've walked across that bridge many times over to the gym. This airport is so tiny. Like, there's literally like no one here. There's probably gonna be no one in security.
Oh, that's good there.
This airport is so small that security isn't even open yet, and it's like 9 o'clock in the morning. Mad. So we're just sitting here, just chilling. Oh wow, look at that. to end the trip. I'm literally just standing here by myself, just watching the acrobat planes. Right now, ready to go home. Middle seat, staying. Right, we are back in London. What, honestly, it was such a good trip. I felt like a backpacker, don't you think? Like, it was such a good trip.
Feel travelled.
Yeah, well travelled. Ready to go. Need to go home and work.
Can't wait.
Right, adios. Thanks for watching. Bye.